beside me. It's a two-seater, yo can't rock.
That's what the fuck I'm talking about. Okay. That's what I'm talking about.
Next, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my wig using the stocking cap method. I like to expose a little bit of my edges when I'm doing the stocking cap method because I just feel like it makes my wig look a little bit more realistic. To secure my lace and prevent lifting, I'm gonna be using Got To Be Ultra Glued Invincible Styling Gel. Next, I'm going to blow dry the Got To Be gel to make it tacky, lay the lace down, and cut away the excess lace. Next, I'm going to use a rat tail comb just to work the gel into the lace. So like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace last. Now, a lot of people ask me why I just don't cut the lace when the wig is on the wig stand. And the reason why is because I just feel like when you cut it on your head, your hairline lines up better rather than you doing it on the wig stand.
Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out here? Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm in that tote shit. 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 I'm in that tote shit.
Next, I'm gonna hot comb the top of my wig to take away some of the volume and flatten it out. I do not want to be out here looking like Hottie from Flavor of Love.
I'm in that tote shit. I'm in that slack shit. I make it float, bitch. I'm in that slime shit.
And you gotta be super careful with these hot combs. I'm not gonna lie, I burnt the hell out of my finger when I was doing this.
It costs 100,000 for my necklace. Broke 100,000 hearts quick. Break 100,000 down quick. Bust down, rollie with the kick. Bust down.
Next, I'm gonna plug my hairline. Now, I already told y'all, every company always says that their wigs are pre-plucked, and that is true. Most of them are pre-plucked, but you still have to do your own plucking. Those hairlines be too thick.
I'm in that tote shit. I'm in that tote shit. I'm in that tote shit. I'm in that tote shit.
I'm not even about to lie to y'all. This wig had me shook. And I know most influencers are paid by companies to persuade you guys to buy wigs that you don't really want to buy. And honestly, I've had wigs that were worth $500, $400, $300, and they do not compare to this wig. When I was plucking this hairline, the hair was coming out so smooth. No tugging, no pulling, and I'm the absolute worst at customizing. So if I'm telling you this, you know it's the truth. I was a little bit amazed at the quality of this wig because this is a smaller company compared to like large companies that have big followings on social media. This wig is of quality. I'm just like, wow, I can't believe this, because I've literally had bobs that were like $500 and they just did not compare to this one. Since the entire plucking process was so easy, I did take my time and pluck my hairline very well.
I'm in that tote shit. 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 I'm in that tote shit.
I probably would have had a better application if I used an actual glue like Ghost Bond glue, but I do not wear wigs often. I wear my natural hair a lot. I was just wearing this wig for like 2 days, so I used the Got To Be.
Straight to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Yeah, yo, talk crazy on tweets.
Now I'm gonna spray a little bit of this Got To Be Blasting Freeze spray on the top of my wig and on my hairline to give my bob that sleek look.
Put it up for my seeds. No care for the IG, just no care. Anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout.
Whole lot of people need to hear this. It's a lot of names on my hit list. I'm still scared what he wants to. Still wet like a big. I should run a whole blog at this rate. They using my name for clickbait. Even wanna start fake beef. Just say the low beef in the mixtape.
The hair was really straight, but it was straight out of the packaging, so it had dents in it, and I wanted my bob to be super sleek, so that's why I'm flat ironing it.
They wanna be down. Soon as got something to sell, they say my name, Destiny Child. Everybody wanna be lit. Everybody wanna be rich. Everybody wanna be this. If us you all hate me. Bring my product, suck my all of that talking, I'm calling it out. Public opinions from private accounts. You not a check, then you gotta bounce. Back of the drip, come get it now. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. This is mad, this is trash. This is the grouch. See me win, they gotta hurt.
This is a Conair flat iron, and I got this flat iron when I was like in the 10th grade. It is pure trash. I need a new flat iron. I know I do not straighten my hair often, so that's why I haven't bought a new one.
Anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout.
Next, I'm gonna go in with the Care Styling Wax Stick. Surprisingly, this wig did not have any flyaways. It was not choppy at the top, so I didn't really need this, but because the hair was so sleek, it kept falling in my face, so I wanted to keep it back, so that's why I'm using the styling wax.
Pretty, you was sending shit back like Kim. Shoot my shot was getting none of that.
I used my hot comb a lot in this process because I just wanted my bob to be super sleek, and I did not have any baby hair, so it had to look realistic.
Now I got top of the line, she done it right, she spending nights with me, she got mine never wrong, know what she want, know what she want from me. You too indecisive, flip like a light switch, what's wrong or right shit, please. I don't got time to be waiting, time to say sorry, you don't gotta fuck with me. Hey, you cancel me, I don't give a fuck.
Ooh, no, baby. Yes. Ooh. Stiff what?
For real, stiff what?
Ooh, no what?
Stiff what?
Well.
No.
Yes, bitch.
No stiff, bitch.
No, none of that.
Shake, bitch.
What?
Shake.
Ooh, I don't got time to be wondering what you do. Shit is too crucial, I gotta get mine. I don't wanna cut these women off because they fine. I don't wanna try to get it right cause I be trying. I'm chillin' night.
Period, sir.
Last but not least, the finishing touches. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Got To Be spray on my hairline and just use my edge brush to make it extra sleek.
You don't gotta wonder no more, girl, I'm good off your back on 10. I'ma show you what it is. Look, I got top of the line.
That is it for this tutorial / hair review. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe.
What's wrong or right shit, please. I don't got time to be waiting, time for forgiving. You don't gotta fuck with me.